So the next question we have is, let z be a complex number such that z minus 2i divided by z plus I is equal to 2, where z not equal to minus I, then z lies on the circle of radius 2 and center. So we have to find out the center of the circle whose radius is 2, right? So how we can solve it? So we can solve this question by let assume let assume z is equal to let z is equal to x plus iy. Z is equal to x plus iy. So the next thing we can write in place of z here, we can write x plus iy. So let's see what I can write here. X plus iy minus 2i, again x plus iy and plus I, right? And this is the mod. Mod is equal to 2, right? So we will separate the terms here. We will separate the term here. So now the next term I can write is x plus I y minus 2, right? And here also I can write x I y plus 1, right? This I can solve. Now we have to find the modulus. So we know the modulus formula. The modulus formula is under root of, it will become under root of x square plus y minus 2 square, right? So I can write here, instead of writing the under root, I will square both the side, and in the process of squaring both the side, the square root of this side, the left hand side, will vanish, right? So I can write here simply x square plus y minus 2 square, and here I can write x square plus y plus 1 whole square, right? And since we have squared both the sides, so I can write here 4. Now this denominator part will go on the right hand side, and what will get x square plus y minus 2 square is equal to 4. And now I will write the denominator part to this side, x square plus y plus 1 square, right? Now what we can see here, that in place of x square I can write x square, in place of y minus 2 whole square I can write y square plus 4 minus 4y, right? And here I can write simply 4 and x square plus y square plus 1 plus 2y, right? Now we can see here that x square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 4x square plus 4y square plus 4 plus 8y, right? So this is the simplification of it. Now I can see here that this side we have x square, this side I have 4x square. So when we'll shift the 4x square to the left hand side, I will get minus 3x square. Again we have y square this side, and the next side we have plus 4y square. So we will shift the right hand side 4y square to the left hand side, and I will get 3 minus 3y square. Next term we have is minus 4y, right? Minus 4y and plus 8y. So this will shift to left hand side, and it will become minus 4y and minus 8y. This will become minus 12y. Also we have no term of x on both the side, left hand side, right hand side, no term of x. Plus 4 and this plus 4 will get cancelled, right? And no more terms are here, x square, y square, 4y, each and every term we have calculated, no more term here. So here right hand side we will get 0 only. Now I can write it as by taking minus 3 common, and we will change the sign so that each and every term will get into x square and y square will become positive. So what will I can write it, x square plus y square plus 4y is equal to 0. Now I can see here that when we compare the standard form of the circle equation, the standard form of the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, right? So when we will compare it, we will find that 2fy, that is 2fy will become 4, that is 2f is equal to 4, and we will get f as f, since there is no term of g in this, no term of x is here, so minus g, we know that center is equal to minus g comma minus f, right? So we can see here that there is no term of x here, so there will be no term of g, so minus g will become 0. Also 2f is equal to 4, when we'll compare the y terms, 4y is equal to 2fy, so 2f is equal to 4, f is equal to 2, or else we can write minus f is equal to minus 2, right? So the center will become 0 comma minus 2. Let's see the option. Okay, the option third is there, option is there, where I can see that it is mentioned the radius, the center is 0 comma 2. So this will be the final answer.